The Honor Magic 7 Pro boasts a sleek design with a glass front and back and a sturdy frame. The phone is also IP68/IP69 rated, making it dust and water resistant and even capable of withstanding high-pressure water jets. The device features a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 2800 by 1280 pixels. It supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, HDR, and a peak brightness of 5000 nits. The display is vibrant and offers excellent viewing angles, making it great for media consumption and gaming. Under the hood, the Magic 7 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which ensures smooth performance and efficient multitasking. It comes with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage, making it a powerhouse for both productivity and entertainment. The camera setup on the Magic 7 Pro is one of its standout features. It includes a 50 megapixel main camera, a 200 megapixel telephoto camera with 3 times optical zoom, and a 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera. The phone also leverages AI to enhance photo quality, with features like light and shadow portrait mode, capture enhancement, and telephoto enhancement. The camera performance is impressive, especially in well-lit conditions, though it struggles a bit in low light. The Magic 7 Pro is equipped with a 5,850 milliampere battery, supporting 100-watt wired charging, 80-watt wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. While the battery life is decent, it falls short compared to its predecessor. The phone runs on Android 15 with Honor's Magic OS 9, offering a smooth and user-friendly experience. It also includes features like 3D face unlock and an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, adding to its security and convenience. Overall, the Honor Magic 7 Pro is a powerful and feature-packed smartphone that excels in display quality, performance, and camera capabilities.